This is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So firstly, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Turbo VPN. So let me quickly do that. Once the app is ready, you will obviously need to go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the green continue button. Let me enable the automatic screen rotation feature or disable the orientation lock. So here is the app. I'm not sure whether it supports the landscape displayment mode. It actually does not already. Anyway, so once at the app, tap at this caret icon over there, confirm or accept the connection request. And as you can see by this key indicator at the right half of your status bar, the VPN was successfully connected to. While at it, you can change the server or the country or actually even the city that you are connected to. So let's say I'll reconnect myself from some server in the UK to Amsterdam in Netherlands. And in order to disconnect from VPN, you will simply need to tap at this cross icon over there, choose the disconnect option, and well, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.